Hey visionaries! Are you a business professional, solopreneur, run a small business? Then listen up! Do you feel stuck in your life? Do you want to become more successful but need the right tools to make it happen? Looking to achieve 10 times your usual growth? Do you want to increase your productivity and have big goals you're ready to achieve? Oh, I didn't know this was about vision planning. What you talking about? Introducing some new technology gadgets? Actually, believe it or not, you don't need fancy new tech to make your dreams come true. When it comes to vision planning and really putting your whole focus into making your dreams a reality, putting it all into writing is a very tangible, physical process. You gotta put that pen to paper and manifest it into existence. What do you mean? We're in the digital age. You can just type it out with a fancy new digital tool. Can you though? I mean, how focused are you really when you're staring at that computer screen with all the different tabs open, or tapping it out on your phone with texts and notifications popping up left and right? You really can't beat the solitude of you and your planner, working in peace. Well, what about how fast everything is digitally? Actually, it's been proven that paper leads to better productivity. Since you're less distracted, you really hone in on what you're doing, so it's much slower to work on a digital platform. But computers are smart, and you can be too. Writing by hand actually helps you remember information more easily, so you can really be in tune with what you're writing. Well, shoot. I got nothing. Then get yourself the Ultimate Vision Planner. There are 4 editions: the Entrepreneur's Edition, the Professional Edition, the Enterprise Edition, and the Ambitious Beginner's 10-Minute Journal for 10 times growth, a 75% off launch offer. They also have the Vision Planner Duo for power couples at 80% off. The Vision Planner was created by the esteemed Dr. Shaan, or SK founder of California Intercontinental University and founder and chairman of American Creators and Entrepreneurs Association. Digital planners and apps just don't cut it. Get the Vision Planner today at www.thevisionplanners.com.